paper, I'll just give it to you.
Yes.
Because it's best handled. So here, let me just. So here you can do notes. So we have different kinds of templates. Let's say graph. And now you can use the pencil. Take it out. And
I'm a left-hander.
Ah, okay. Careful. So this is a new device category because it's placed in between an ebook reader and a tablet. So we have a 6-core processor in here, so actually quite powerful. And you can install applications, for example. It has a backlight, and you can use it for light office work.
Yes.
But you can also obviously use it for reading very comfortably. So we have we have Huawei books.
From where is the bookstore?
So this is Huawei bookstore. So we have Huawei books, but you can, in principle, install other bookstores as well. You can install, for example, also because it supports apps, for example, news applications, and then read the news through the. Then read the news.
You have an audiobook
system. Operating system HarmonyOS.
HarmonyOS also on this one.
Yeah.
Even though it's not the same.
Well, it's. I can show you. There is some. Yeah. Try around. You can actually summon the kind of control and super device.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can read audiobooks on this one?
Yes. It also has Bluetooth. So you can also connect your Bluetooth headphones to it.
Okay.
It supports audiobooks. It also has 2 speakers actually, so it has pretty good sound quality. It has 4 microphones. You can actually use it as a dictation machine as well. With far field sound pickup, so up to 5 meters.
Where can you choose all the character features? You know, to have the lines.
If you want to stretch the
yeah, that's a good question.
You have it?
I'm not sure. So we have some options here.
Maybe here? Yes. I have it here. But
I mean, I know we have a settings menu. The software is not final, so.
Okay. So if you launch it in France, for example,
yeah,
there will be only books from the Huawei store or library?
No, you will be able to. I mean, that will be one of the pre-installed applications, but you would be able to install other applications as well. So you see here.
Yes, you have the Kindle one.
These are not officially pre-installed, but you can install them. So you have App Gallery, for example, and then you have a choice of apps from App Gallery as well. So the thing is, because this isn't the European version, I can't tell you exactly, which applications will be available. This is the Chinese version, and you see you have different types of applications, email applications.
My friend said that this is a tablet. This is not an e-reader. It is a full tablet.
It is a full tablet, but with a very purposefully built screen. So
okay.
That's what I meant earlier when we think about old scenario, right? Of course, you could use a tablet for this.
Okay.
But say if you're on business travels, this is a perfect second device next to a powerful tablet. Yeah. Because in some cases the tablet is overpowered, and for reading experience the tablet is also not great. You have the glare, you have the blue light. With this, you have you have 32 step backlight, but it's not a blue light, right? It's very, very subtle. So the reading experience here is much more like reading a magazine, much more like reading a book with backlight, much more comfortable than a tablet. So it's e-ink, yes. It's also therefore very power efficient, right? So 2-4 weeks standby time, because you only use power when you refresh.
Okay.
And if I working on my tablet here, I can export my notes, for example. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can connect this
Yes.
It's through super device with your laptop, and then just drag and drop files.
Okay. And which format does it accept? Is it EPUB, PDF, Word?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Well, Word depends on whether or not you install an Office application.
Okay.
But PDF, EPUB, we can give you a full list of the supported file formats. There are some file formats I don't know that it supports because some of them are very unusual. But it does support all of the most common ones.
Can you show us the super device on this?
Yeah, let's see. I don't know if it has the right software because this is a demo unit. Here,
Okay, so that's the control panel.
Right, you have the control panel. So you have different refresh modes. The super device I can't see here, so this might be a different software. Or I go to settings. Here we go. Here we go. Hang on a second.
Almost like a regular tablet.
Right. Yeah.
You don't have any games.
I don't recommend installing games, even if it's technically possible.
So you can download apps, apps gallery, and you can download Kindle.
So this, I have to make the disclaimer, this is, because this is not a European version, this is the Chinese app gallery, and the selection of apps in Europe will then be slightly different. So you see here in China you have Evernote, you have Kindle, and there. In Europe, the selection will be slightly different.
Okay.
So it's not the final version.